All right, guys, we're going to be doing a video about using your GoPro Hero 8 Black with the Media Mod as a webcam. The things that you're going to need is a HDMI to micro HDMI cable and a USB Type-C cable. Both of these are going to be 6 feet long. That's generally the best. And I'm using this very generic HDMI video capture card. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. And of course, the media mod for GoPro Hero 8 Black. So some of the things that we're going to be doing here is removing the battery door. Very simple. You pull it off. Very straightforward. You're also going to take the battery out. If you don't know how to do that, this is what it looks like when you insert it. And there's like this little flappy wing thing, and you're just going to, pull it out very gently, very easy. And now with your media mod, open that up and put your GoPro Hero 8 Black in there. It's going to be nice and snug. Go ahead and shut that door. And now you're ready to go. Now with the USB Type-C cable plugged into some sort of power source, or even maybe the PC, but I have it plugged into a power source. You saw the little red dot there indicating that it's power. It's got power going to it. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to set up the GoPro. Sometimes there's it orients itself in the wrong way depending on how you're holding it. So just be patient here and flip it around, and it should go back to normal just like that. But that's not the right side. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Preferences. We're going to go to General. And then you're going to go down to Auto Power Off, and you're going to put Never. This is extremely important. One of the reasons you take the battery off, by the way, is because this thing gets really hot, and you don't want to degrade or wear batteries prematurely. So there's no need. You reduce the heat of the GoPro Hero camera. So now let's talk about the actual settings that you're going to be outputting to OBS. So I'm going to go ahead. It's going to be 1920 by 1080, so 1080, 30 FPS. Lens, I'm going to use linear. You can use wide if you prefer that fish lens effect. Bitrate, keep it at standard. ISO minimum 100, ISO max 400. This is great for low light settings. Color, or the GoPro color is what I like to choose. Leave hyper smooth on. Don't worry about the microphone. None of that really matters. These are the settings that I personally use for low light. If you have a really great lighting setup, or you like to stream during the day where you have natural lighting, you can probably change these. If you have change these settings, if you have a higher end video capture card, you can definitely change these settings as well, depending on what your situation is. That's not what the video is about. So now let's connect the micro HDMI cable to the GoPro Media Mod. And now we're going to go ahead and take the camera, and we're going to go over to where the, what's it called? The capture card is. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the regular HDMI portion of it to the capture card, just like that. I'm doing this with one hand. I apologize. And now we're just going to go ahead and plug in the video capture card to USB to this little USB hub from Amazon Basics. All right, so now we're going to go back to the GoPro Hero 8 Black camera with the media mod, and I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to show you what you should be seeing. Ta-da, it looks like a little envelope. Now, if you don't have that, just go ahead and restart the camera. That should fix it right up. So now we're going to go ahead and mount this. All right, so this is what it should look like, and this is what you're going to see. But there's a lot of information on the display, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just hit the power button once. Just tap it once very lightly, and I'm using that to navigate through these settings. And then you see this little eye icon with the cross through it. Then I'm going to use the little capture button or the record button, and now you have clean HDMI. But I'm going to show you how to get to this point. Very easy. So I'm going to type in GoPro as webcam. That's going to be my scene. So now we need to pick up our sources. So I'm going to go ahead and go to video capture. Now I already have it right here, the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what the settings are, what they should look like, especially for this generic video capture card. So it's just going to be USB. That's my webcam. And everything is pretty much set to default. I didn't touch any of these settings. I'm leaving these alone. There's really no need to mess with them unless you're an advanced user. Now let's talk about getting audio. Okay, we're going to talk about getting audio. I'm going to be using the Rode mixer as my audio device. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Audio Input Capture. Now I'm going to add an existing one, so I'm going to use my Rode mixer, and ta-da! Now we have audio, so I'm going to start speaking into it, showing you that everything is working. There should not be any delay. Things shouldn't be out of sync. It should be pretty good. It should be pretty good. and I'm very happy with the results. This is a no-brainer, guys. This is incredibly easy to do. It just sucks that the GoPro Hero 8 Black doesn't come with these features built in. You have to get the Media Mod and do all this stuff, but it's not a big deal. Hello, everybody. If you're wondering what this entire setup sounds like, this is what it sounds like. So I have my GoPro Hero 8 Black, in conjunction with the Media Mod. That's my webcam. My microphone is the Rode Mixer, the Rodecaster Pro or the Rode Procaster. I keep forgetting the names. They have all the same names. It's pretty cool and confusing sometimes. And of course, I'm using the dynamic Rode mic here. So this is what it sounds like. This is what your viewers are expecting to hear and see. So you got crystal clear audio. You have excellent audio that is divorced from the webcam, so you shouldn't be getting any delays or issues. And I'm hoping that all the delays and stuff has been fixed. The GoPro Hero 8 Black has been out for a while now. And then this is what you will look like. This is what you expect to see now. This is, on my end, it looks really good. I expect other people's setups to be a little bit better. I don't have all the good lighting set up right now, but even then, with the settings that I have, you're going to get great results, guys. So I hope all of this was helpful. I hope all this was useful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. Peace out. Thank you.